Hopefully you guys didn't miss too much. Again, I've been working at this project for a hot minute. Right now what I'm doing is just trying to finish up, and we're just trying to add some images, because initially, let's go back to this right over here, we had, you know, just a solid color background for most of the design, you know, and now we're just trying to, you know, just give it the little bit of extra you know, to make it look like an official site. Because right now it looks very nice, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, especially if you guys are experienced UX UI designers. As I, you know, am admitting, I am still a student. This is one of my final projects before I'm able to graduate from my beginner's course. So yeah, now we're just adding some color and stuff like that in the back. I think it looks really nice for the where would you like to go section right up here. Now we're getting ready to add a beach, because it looks like, you know, some of our featured destinations, it looks like there's water in all of these locations here. So we're going to be adding, you know, a water design, and also it looks like the color of the water is wait, this is wrong. Hold on. No, it's not wrong. But anyways, the color of the water matches the color of the background, and that's where I got my inspiration from when I decided to choose this green, because just off the top of my head, I said, that looks like, you know, nice beach water. And I'm pretty sure it's not, you know, the exact color code. However, it shows that my idea of thinking of the colors that I wanted do go perfectly. So now we do not want to cover up everything that we just created. So I'm just going to right click on this, and we're going to move this to the back. And we'll see if it kind of lines up, which it does not look like it lines up exactly the way I want it. Maybe we'll show some more. We'll show it something like this. Where should we put this? New to traveling. Maybe this should go on the bottom here. Yeah, I think that actually looks nice. Let's make it fit in here though. The contrast is not, it's not good enough there to be able to make that legible for what we want. So let's see, let's grab this. That would kind of work if it was like that. Kinda. Let's see, how about we just fill it the whole way like this? How does that look? Gotta slide it down a little bit more though. It's pretty legible. Now the only thing that's a different color is the top here that doesn't have anything, but I can easily fix that by just clicking. And I don't want to lose my color code here, so let me just go ahead and add another color, and we're going to fill it on 100%, and we're going to choose the color that's at the bottom here. Nah, because then it messes up the color contrast up there at the top. Let's see, so we have blues, greens, we have the brown. How about I pick the brown? How about that? Let's see what that would look like. Let me hide this, and we're going to select the brown from the sand as our header. Is this good? Y'all gotta let me know, man. Y'all got to let me know. And I also noticed, where is it at? Let me get this right here. Okay, so this same image is covering the whole thing. Yeah, I think that looks really nice. The bottom portion of it, it fades in. It's very well. Again, I just have to do something with the text right here. Forgot that you guys are not seeing it all zoomed in like me. But how about this? Yeah, I gotta have it to where you guys could see the whole thing. So I guess it's gonna be low-key minimized, so you guys can see it on my tablet screen here as I'm recording it and moving it around and stuff like that. Let's actually show you guys compared to our original sketch. Did have to change some things up, especially the section at the bottom that says new to traveling. Reason being is a part of the design brief that I had for this project. It actually, you know, the one on the left where it says join our newsletter for new recommendations, tips every month. That's something that I came up with at the top of my head. However, in the actual brief, it's what I had to copy and paste. That's right there on the other side. That actually says every week. So I think it looks pretty good though. Let's see what other small tweaks we can do to it. Let me see what I did on this top part here for this image, because it's low-key transparent. So this one is on 100%. This top design is on 70%. So if I take that away, I kind of like how it fades in a little bit with the the search bar section. I do also have to fix the button there for the search tab button in the corner, because it looks like it's white over black or something like that, and I don't think those colors mix too well. So we will fix that. However, let's see. Let's keep it going. Let me see what it would look like if it's just on 100%. All right, so the color pops out a lot more. That might be a little too much though. Again, let me so y'all can see what we got going here. My apologies too that you guys cannot see my face, but if I do start building an audience that is interested in UX UI design, I wouldn't mind showing you guys stuff like this a little bit more, because even before I decided to take this course, I wouldn't say I've used this program before, but if you guys go to my website, NeverDenyMe.com, I designed that website and the things that are on that. So this is just gives me a little bit more insight and gives me a little bit more control as to the actual layout of how things will look. So yeah, let's see. So if I did it like this, I would have to change this up here, this text to black. And let me go back to my original color again. Let's hide the sand color and put the green. The green, it matches, but it no longer matches because, yeah, the rest of I guess the dark green matches a little bit better. So the sandy color is pretty nice. How can we put a little splash outside of, okay, I know what we can do. We can actually get a rectangle right here. Let's just throw this on here real quick. All right, we could throw this just like this. And we could say move to the back, but then I'm still gonna have to bring it to the front a little bit. Over our colors here. Let's zoom in. I'll let you guys see it as well. Keep in mind, like I said, I'm doing this on my computer and it's being mirrored on my tablet. So we're gonna grab this. Okay, how about this? Let me hide this. Drop shadow. Let's mess around with the drop shadow and see what we could do with this. I think the only way to fix it is if I had some type of like a bolder looking font, or nah, I can't, because if you guys are looking at this as well, I could actually use this bottom section that's just perfectly, perfect sand color to do some typing right there instead, and that would kind of work. But I don't want to mess around with it too much, because then if I change the background image, it's going to require me to mess around with the placement and everything. So again, this is what we got so far, guys. Hopefully you guys like it. Again, I'm just trying to add some extra color and images and stuff like that to the design to really set it off. But I will check back with you guys when I have it a little bit more finalized, and I'm going to get back to concentrating now. Catch you guys in a little bit. All right, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. What you're seeing on screen right now is actually the final version that I ended up going with. I changed a few of the headings at the top. That way there wouldn't be any 3 lines as if it were mobile, because we did want to keep in mind that this is for a desktop, and the less things you have to click, the more, I guess, the easier it is for the user to have a nicer experience. Again, this is what UX is all about, making it nice and presentable and easier for people to enjoy what you have created. Again, I am still a student in training, so if you guys have any advice for me, anything, man, drop a comment below, hit the thumbs up button on this video, and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more content like this. Catch you guys in the next video.